Hi, how are you? I think you are doing well and you try to do your best. So, today I want to explore the PP module syllabus in SAP. So, I will discuss about the syllabus of production planning in SAP end user training. So, you can learn about the PP module from my sides. And if you have any doubt, please raise the comment. I will help you. So, first is the master data. In master data we will create the code of the finished goods, semi-finished goods, and also what we are going to procure from the vendors. These data will be captured in the master data. For T code we will use mm01 for the creations, and for the changing of any material master we will use mm02, and for display purpose we will use mm03. Actually, do not I mean confused. I will only explore here the syllabus, but I'm just giving to overview of the T code. But once you know about the syllabus, then I will create the separate video for the each and every topic for which I discussed in the syllabus. So don't worry, please focus on syllabus. So first is the material master and master data. In that also I will give you sub topic name. Firstly, I will give you major topics which is covered in the PP module syllabus SAP. Second is the demand and sales planning. Where we are getting demand from the markets, so basis on the markets we are going to procure some, produce finished goods, and that finished good our sales team will be dispatched to wholesale as per requirement. So that is also included in the PP modules, but it is part of logistic department. MRP material and requirement planning, where we are getting forecast from the market. Based on the forecast we will create the order, and that order for what thing is required from the vendors, and what is the routing, and something it is related to the planning basis on the forecast. So I will cover it also later on video, so wait. Production execution. In this production, once order has been confirmed, and planning has been done, so based on the planning we will execute that plan, and that plan we will release for the dispatch, and production has been done, so here we will use for the production execution. Basically T code is a COR something, and also some company is using MFBF for industrial purpose, so you can use it. Integration with the other modules. PP modules is also integrated with the FICO as well as logistic and other modules, so you have to know about the integration for other modules. Configuration and customization. Once you decided to learn PP module, then you have to configure from plant name, storage location, and company code. So for these all configuration we have to know about that process, and basically we will use code the SPRU, and in that screen you will get one navigator name that called the enterprises structure. So there you can customize the details and also configure based on your requirements. Reporting and analysis. This is the major factor of the PP modules, because without reports you can't do analysis, and also you cannot take decisions. So reporting and analysis, you have to know where can get the detail of the BOM and when can get the details of the forecast. So these all details you have to know. Later on I will explain what is the major factor of the reporting and analysis. So now we are going to master data. In master data, that sub menu is material master, and for material master we will use the T code of mm01 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 for the creation, and for the changing we will use mm02, and for the display purchase we will use mm03. And also a lot of things is I mean need to know about the material master during the creation, like accounting, and what is the organization level is required for the finished goods, and what is the code of finished good. Everything we will discuss when the material master started the series. And bill of materials, that is the component of the all list items which is required for the finished good production, and also semi-finished goods. So it is the combination of the component for required to ready, I mean production of the material. Work center, for work center we will use I mean labor and machine, and what is the required for the operations. So here we will learn about the work center. Routing task list, prioritize your operation. I mean if you are getting market demand from 10,000 of X brand and 5,000 for Y brand, so based on the routing you can prioritize your task. Production version, for production version we will explain later on. In this production version basically we will learn about how can order execute for the production, and when production has been done, so how can create the confirmation, and about the production confirmation, and everything is related for boom and something like that, and much more. Demand and sales planning, demand management and planning strategy. It is the basis on the forecasts, fast forecast we are getting from the markets. We will start the planning, and also we will get the decision based on the future data. So here we will learn about the demand and management strategy in the below of the, I mean major topic of the demand and sales planning. Sales and operation planning, SOP, that is very important point. So once your order has been completed, that you have to sell from the market. So here I will learn how can sell the markets, and what is the planning of forecast, and everything we will explore here. Rough card and flexible planning, like if you have a capacity of 10,000 but you get the order of the 20,000, so how can customize that order, and how can I mean customize the order in the SAP. We will learn on the rough card and flexible planning. Forecasting technique, like I had already discussed with you, forecasting from market we will get, and also based on the future data we'll try to get the detail of forecast. Material requirement planning, here we will learn about the MRP concept and execution. Consumption based on planning, what we are going to plan for the production, so we will try to get the consumption detail also based on the forecast. Stock requirements, for stock what is the requirement, so their list I will be explore here. Planning run types, single and multi-level. Single is like finished goods for producing, so in finished goods also we have to produce for semi-finished goods, something like that. For example, if we are producing the lace, so in lace if you are producing some masalas and something in-house, I mean in-house, yeah, in the organization, so for semi-finished good masala, what is the required for the raw material, and what is the required to procure from the vendor, so that is called the multi-level. And single level, if you are producing like something 1 liter water, so in this 1 liter water we will use some I mean flavored and water only, so that water we are preparing from the vendor, so we will use a single level planning. I will explore here, don't worry. Production execution, in production execution, plan and production order creation, scheduling and availability check, order confirmation, good issue and receipt. These all things I will be covered in later video, so please like and subscribe for more update. Backflashing and error handling, Koji, that is big things for your order confirmation. Like just I'm explaining here. Like if you have created one order, I mean few order, process order like 001. In this order, if BOM is like 5 item, like blend and packaging material and something, but currently in this location which is created by the BOM, I mean material master not having, so that will create the issue and that will show in the koji. Repetitive manufacturing means, and if you are getting same order and again that called repetitive manufacturing. Integration with the other model. PP, material management. It is a very important. Sales and distribution. Production planning is also integrated with the sales and distribution. Production planning also integrated quality management. That is very important because without quality we cannot sell the any product. Controlling. CU. Configuration and customization. You have to know about the customization enterprise structure setup. As already I told you, we use SPROT code for the enterprise structure setup, and for location creation and plant creation, planning strategy, BOM, routing, various things is important. Reporting analysis, we will use production planning reports, MRP report, shop floor control. By the way, for today, thank you. And if you want to touch with me and keep touching, please subscribe me. I will help you. Whatever your comments we get based on the comment, we will try to close all the issues. And if you are having any issue in SAP, so please raise your question in the comment. I will help. I will try to resolve your question and query. For now, thank you so much and for supporting me.